This assessment asks us to answer the question that's posed in the figure on screen. The question being, what spin is here? Well, let's imagine that we're in a magnetic field that is in this direction. The alpha spin is going to be the one that is aligned with that magnetic field. Beta spin is going to be aligned directly against that magnetic field. The highest energy is going to be the one where the spin is aligned perpendicular to the field. So what spin is here? That's going to be the one that is aligned in a perpendicular way to the external magnetic field. Now, to use a reaction coordinate diagram for this maybe isn't exactly right, but if we're thinking about the spinning nuclei as stir bars in a magnetic field, this would make sense, that it would be hardest, highest energy to hold that magnetic field directly perpendicular to the external magnetic field would be really hard, in the same way that if you're in a boat and the current is rushing that way, to hold your boat perpendicular to the current would be really difficult. The boat, the magnet is going to want to either become aligned against beta or aligned with alpha. Obviously, being aligned with is more stable. What this reminds us is that any direction that is not directly against or directly with is going to be higher energy and will relax to either alpha or beta.